We're going to welcome the next speaker. Okay, thanks very much for your presentation.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, our next speaker is Dooriya Wu. She's the Overseas Market Director from Shenzhen Pandpower Corporation Limited. Hi.
Hello, Andy. Yeah, nice to meet you. And nice to meet you all the guys. And I'm very glad to have this opportunity to share our experience and ideas regarding the Second Life business. And thanks for your invitation.
Okay, great. So, Dooriya, you can give us a brief introduction of your company.
Okay, let me share my screen firstly. And firstly, I would like to give a brief introduction of our company. Our company was founded in 2016, and we started as an integrator to provide the cost-effective solutions for power energy storage and backup power system. And later on, we explore more business like battery maintenance and recycling business. And here you can see the countries we have stepped into. China as first step, and later we step into Japan, Australia, and some European and Latin American countries. And I would also like to share more about our company. Firstly, Panda as a practitioner for Second Life battery integrator, and later Itochu joined us in 2019, providing the capital and sharing the overseas sales channel for us. They mainly focus on expanding the Second Life business with Panda to overseas market. And besides the structure, we also invested two companies. First is JV1 with Veolia, the company located in Jiangmen province, usually do the global recycling and dismantling business. And we also have established one joint venture too with Fangyuan Environmental Protection. This company mainly focus on the raw material recycling and the cell production with recycled materials. This is the brief introduction of Pandpower. And to start the opportunities, we want to see it through a single cell. Usually in this field, we classify the batteries into three different parts. Firstly, the green part that without any value directly go to the recycling and dismantling it into the raw materials. And the third part is the battery with SOH between 40 to 80%. Those batteries can be applied into more applications like ES or backup powers. And also the third part is the SOH between 80 to 100%. Those batteries still in warranty period, and we can provide some services in this percent of SOH. So detailedly speaking, we can see some of the opportunities where we usually mention it into two parts. First part is the products, and second part is the services. The products, you can see the SOH between 40 to 80%. We can apply it into some energy storage system applications and backup powers of communication industrial. And you can see here is some customers that's usually some of the power grid company or some asset owner company. Those company will usually seek opportunity to do those Second Life batteries. And also for the telecommunication company like Vodafone, Smart in Philippines and Giganet in Hungary, those companies, telecommunication companies, they seek the Second Life batteries to replace the existing lead acid battery replacement, as it is close to the warranty, the end of the warranty time. And for the battery with SOH between 80 to 100%, we usually provide some analysis and maintenance equipment for some like car owner and some car operating companies, they must need some those kind of equipment to do the daily or regular treatment for their in cars. And the last part is for the battery SOH below 40%, then need to be directly go to the recycling and dismantling. And later on, once we gain the raw materials, we can use it into the brand new cell production. Ideally, 100% of recycled raw materials can be used in new cell production. So first, the products we classified into two scenarios. First is power network, and second is communication network. You can see here is some of the standard products that can be applied into those two scenarios. Power network, both for FTM and BTM, in the 5, 10, and 100 and 1,000 kilowatt product can be applied into those projects. In the communication network, usually we do the replacement for lead acid batteries that the low voltage 48 voltage product can be applied to. And further, we would want to further explain the replacement for lead acid batteries, as we have done several years second life business overseas market. We see, especially for those countries like Africa or India or Southeast Asian countries, those countries, they are lack of the lithium battery supply chain, and usually use the lead acid battery. Those countries, they are very sensitive and to the price, and the demand would not be so high. So second life batteries, once we get touched to those customers, they can easily accept a concept of second life battery, and the technology side can satisfy their local demands. So we think this is kind of big opportunity for the replacement of the lead acid battery field. And general information for the replacement of the lead acid battery, we can reach 30 billion American dollars in 2020, and in 2027 it can reach more than 48 billion American dollars. That's a huge opportunities for us. And some applications, both in China and overseas market, like UK and Africa and Japan. And beyond those products, here I would like to say there exist a lot of services we can provide. Usually, in per our understanding, we do three kinds of services. Firstly, the battery maintenance services. Then we can provide those equipments to EV repair or shops or after service network. And second services is for our plant and also other companies. They may have some technology can do the chemical and physical treat for the second life batteries that can prolong the life cycles to extend the EV warranty. And third part is we can do the evaluation services for some used cars, like before and currently we are doing the discussion with some insurance companies how to analyze the remaining values of some of the accidental cars, or some customer want to buy insurance for their electrical cars. So we can do those kinds of evaluation analysis services. And the third opportunity is we can export our production line and give some consultancy services for overseas company. As for China, right now we are as one of the top company which go further than other countries in the electrical cars. And meanwhile, for the exploration of second life batteries, we have gone further, and later we can export our know-how, knowledge, and full set of second life use production line to overseas partners. This is what our company are doing right now. And beyond those three opportunities, in the end, we see the 100 or most 100 recycled the battery raw materials to create a brand new cell. This is the trend, and the ultimate way to solve the energy waste issue. So for Pandpower, right now we have get the authorization of the 24M with their semi-solid technology. And with this technology, we can use the 100 recycled raw materials to create the brand new cell, which with low cost, high safety, and recyclability. And you can see this semi-solid battery technology has been applied into a lot of countries like Japan. It has rushed into the massive production this year. And this year, GPSC, one of the largest company in Thailand, they have stated to do the semi-solid batteries, and Freya in Norway, they will go to start this business in 2023. The semi-solid batteries we can see and use the 100 recycled raw materials. This is the ultimate trend, and we will stick to do continuous to explore this business. So generally, the above business is the understanding based on Pandpower's several years exploring and business with overseas countries. Actually, our founders and R&D team, they usually have more than 20 years experiences in lithium battery field. And in 2016, we started the battery and system level products shipped to the whole world. And in this year, we provide the electrical battery maintenance services and equipments for partners. Bosch is one of our equipment partners, and started from next year, we will gradually explore the establishment of second life battery reuse with partners from overseas countries, exporting our production line for second life batteries and our know-how, knowledge. That's the whole introduction of our company and our understanding for the opportunities for second life batteries. And thanks for your listening. Here is our contact information if you would like to further discuss this business with us, and you can contact us directly with the information shared on the screen.